Alright, let's talk about algebraic manipulation. Think of it as the art of tidying up and restyling mathematical expressions to make them simpler or more useful, kind of like sorting your gaming loadout for the perfect match. First up is simplifying. This is just about collecting like terms. Imagine you've got a pile of cash from your part-time job. You'd group all the 10-pound notes together and all the 5-pound notes together, right? Same deal here. In 7a squared minus 6ab plus 3, the a squared terms stick together and the ab terms stick together. Easy win. Next we have expanding. This is where we remove brackets, like dropping a message in a group chat that everyone has to react to. For something like 3x plus yx minus 4y, you use the FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. You multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second. For expressions with 3 brackets, just expand 2 of them first, then multiply that result by the third one. It's a bit of a grind, but totally manageable. Factorising is the complete opposite. It's putting expressions back into brackets. Always check for a common factor first, like in 9x squared plus 15xy, where you can pull out 3x to get 3x plus 5y. For quadratics like ax squared plus bx plus c, you're looking for 2 numbers that multiply to give a c and add to give b. You'll also need to spot special patterns like the difference of 2 squares, which is a massive shortcut. Then there's completing the square, which sounds intense but is just a way to rewrite a quadratic like ax squared plus bx plus c into the form ax plus p squared plus q. This form is clutch because it tells you the vertex, minimum or maximum point, of the parabola instantly. Super useful for graphs. Finally, all these skills come together when simplifying algebraic fractions. You just factorize the top and bottom, and then cancel any common factors, just like simplifying 10 over 15 to 2 over 3. It's the final boss level of this topic, bringing all your new skills together. If you want more clear explanations like this, and access to practice questions grouped by topic, download the Practice Book app today. Link in the description. See you in the next video!